Good evening. I am coming to you from Deming, New Mexico, and I'm here at yet again at another Amtrak station. And let's go check out what this one has, and let's go make some memories. Alright, so from the parking lot, this is interesting. Somebody made a symbol here. I don't know what that symbol is. If it was supposed to mean something or somebody was just bored waiting on their train, I'm not sure. Here's the sign, the Amtrak, Deming. And then as you see right behind me, it's the same as we've seen at a few of the other ones. Just one little shelter and a couple of benches. There's no actual train stop, which is interesting. Alright, so you can see the train tracks looking this way. This way to the west is Lordsburg, New Mexico, and then back towards Tucson and Phoenix. And then looking this way, the next Amtrak stop, I believe, to the east is going to be El Paso, Texas, which is about 110 miles or so. Alright, now next to this train station, there's not much at all. I don't see anything here right at this exit that I got off the highway at. There's a Chevron station, as you can see. Right next to where I'm at, there's a Chevron station. So at least if you're getting dropped off to catch a train here, you can go in there, use the restroom. If it's gonna pour and this shelter here isn't good enough for you, you can go in there and grab your snacks as well and your drinks and save a little bit of money on the train trip. But other than that, there is not much here at all. There's like even like a waterway here that's just full of trash and debris, which is disgusting. But Deming, New Mexico, there's not much at this train stop at all. So I would suggest if you're getting dropped off here or if you're going to catch a train to here, that you come prepared, because there's not much here at all. Make sure you've got accommodations and a ride. I would not want to get stuck out here in a storm or late at night after dark, because there's not much here. Looking back this way to the west, I can see a McDonald's. I guess that's the very next exit, because I think I got off at 82B, and there's also an 82A, which it looks like there's a McDonald's and a Burger King, and maybe there's a hotel or some other stuff over that way. But it's a little bit of a walk from here there. I'd guess it's got to be at least 1.5 mile walk or so from this train station. So just so you know, that's what's going on. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for our stop here at the Amtrak station in Deming, New Mexico. There wasn't a whole lot here, but if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Lets us know that you're watching it and you care. If you subscribe, thank you. If not, hit that subscribe button down below. Leave us a comment if you ever pass through this train station. What you think of this train station? There's not much to really think of it, but maybe there's something that we missed. Maybe in Deming there's some really great restaurant or something that's a must-do, that's walking distance in that direction. But yeah, there's not much here. So as always, we're just trying to bring you all of the Amtrak stations. Like I said, that's one of the things I'm trying to do, is try to hit as many of them as I can over the next couple of months, if not years. Why not take this nationwide? I was trying to do Florida, and now I'm hitting the ones on my road trip. All right, so as always, guys, be safe, and we shall see you soon.